Hey passengers, welcome to the 8-channel premiere train. We're going to do a video here of all my metal detecting finds over the years. But what we're going to do different is this is a different way of stacking that I do to kind of collect precious metals. And I figured you guys would like this type video here. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be checking some of these rings here for precious stones. This is just one box that I have, and we've got a whole lot to go through. So that's box one. Here's box two, right there. Set that up, switch some stuff around. Alrighty. So let me open up the case. I'm gonna have to bring this out again and get around the camera. There we go. So what we have here is I have my diamond checker, and you can get these off Amazon for about $14. Pretty cheap and easy to use. All you got to do is turn it on, and then you're going to turn the indicator light up a little bit. I set it at 4 in the green there. Then you have to wait for the other lamp to be ready, okay, and that will let it know that it's warmed up and ready to go. So I'm going to set that up there till it does turn on. These are all rings that I have found metal detecting. Beautiful 10-carat class ring right here. No writing inside of it that has a name or anything. So no way to find out who it belongs to. This one right here, I did find out who it belongs to and contacted them, but they never got back to me about picking it up. So, and I don't have an address or anything to send it to them. Looked them up on Facebook. Took about I think it was about 2 years before he even contacted me back. Here's another beautiful class ring right here. No writing on the inside. So unfortunately, there's no way to ever track anybody down. Because I would love to be able to give them their rings back and be able to video that. So it'd be really cool. Okay, so as you can, the indicator light is now on. Turn it down just a hair till that orange one disappears. There we go. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to check some of these stones here for diamonds. See if they're actually real or not. So like this big, beautiful right here ring, it's 925. Pretty much know if it's 925, it's not going to have a diamond, but that is not always true. And as you can see, nothing really happens. So we're going to move on here. Let's try this one. This got some little stones in it here, little 925. And see what happens. Now, if you touch the metal, it'll yell at you. Uh-oh. Look at that. Let's try one of the other stones. Look at that, guys. Those are all diamonds all the way around. Pretty sweet. Here is one right here. It's got a beautiful green stone. I think it's probably jade. And this is definitely a gold ring. It is missing one of the little stones on the side, but we have this little stone here, so I'm going to try to touch it without hitting anything else. And looky there, it's a diamond. So we got a little tiny diamond with that jade there. Here's a beautiful gold ring right here. Let's see what happens. I'm going to need my magnifier for this because these diamonds are real tiny, or I should say these stones, until we find out if they're diamonds or not. Let's try it. All right, guys, look at that. Let's try this other stone. Right on the stone. So all three of those are definitely diamonds right there. Let me see if I can see the writing on the side. This is 18 karat gold right there, guys. 18 karat gold ring with real diamonds. Dug out of the ground by yours only, Ringmaster Ray. Here is a nice little ring right here. Let me see if I can see what it is. Look under here. This says sterling, so it is old, but the unique thing is it's got little holes in it to breathe. So these could be real diamonds. Now, some of these are missing. So let me get under here and find one that we can actually touch here. These are pretty tiny. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. It's real. So we're missing 1, 2, 3 out of all those stones there, but that is real. That is an old sterling, so probably pre-40s with real diamonds in it. That is awesome. All right, I don't think I have any more in this tray that we haven't tried. Let me switch over to the next tray. Raise you up a little bit more. Clear this. There we go. All right, now let's zoom back down in here. There we go. So this is my second tray. I need probably about 2 or 3 more of these. Here's another one of those rings like that we saw earlier. This one does have all the stones in it. Let's see if I can see any marks in it. I do see marks. I see a K, but I cannot tell whether it's what number it is. It could be anything from 10K, 14, 18. Can't really see it that well, but we're gonna check the stones. Oh yeah, those are diamonds. All diamonds there, guys. Gold ring with diamonds. Here is a bracelet that I found. And on the clasp here, it says 14K, both ends. Little gold bracelet. We're gonna check the stones here. I believe the black ones here are onyx, but we're gonna check the white stones here. If I can get it not touching the metal. When it makes that sound, you're touching the metal. It's hard to tell. Oh, it's because there's 4 little stones there. I'm hitting it right in the middle. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh, there we go. There we go. Those are real. There's 4 diamonds in this little bracelet right here. In this beautiful 14-karat bracelet. All right, here's a nice one here. Let's see if I can see the writing in here. Sometimes it gets a little beaten up and it's hard to read. Need my jeweler's loupe or my magnifying glass, and I just did not have that with me today. All right, so let's check these stones here. See what happens. There's 9 little stones here. And boom. Check every one of these little stones. Yep. 9 diamonds, guys. So this is probably white gold right there with 9 diamonds in it. All right, here is another one. Here is one here. I can barely see. There's the hallmark of the maker, but it does have a hole in the back. That's a good sign. This could definitely just be white gold, but it does have the little diamond symbol inside there. Let's take a look and see what happens, because that's a pretty good sized little diamond right there for a diamond ring being dug up out of the ground. Let's take a look. And yes, we have a full diamond right there. That is a big one. That is a big one. And here's this one here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at the size of that stone, guys. Try the ones on the side. Get it without touching the metal. Can't do it. Those are pretty tiny. Try over here. They do go up a little bit, but look at that one. Look at that one. That's pretty sweet. And see, it has the little diamond symbol on the inside of it. I can't make out the markings because this may not be silver. It's got a K, so it's definitely going to be white gold. And that's a big old fat diamond right there. Probably about a carat, maybe more, carat and a half. Now check this one out, guys. This is beautiful little gold ring right here. And I can see the maker's mark in there and stuff, but I cannot see, it's so tiny. But let's check the stone on this. This looks like a citrine, but you never know what you're gonna get. Uh-oh, maybe that is a colored diamond. Maybe that is a yellow diamond. Hard to say. This is a true citrine. I know that one in a silver ring. It doesn't ring up, but it is a beautiful stone. Oh, here. I probably walked right past it. Let me show you this one, guys. This is pretty neat. So think it's just a pink stone, not thinking much of it. Let's see if I can see the writing in it. It has, I believe, 18K. It's hard to read the little writing without the magnifying glass, but I think this one is 18K, maybe 14. But look at that. Look at that, guys. And also the little stones on the side. Now, as far as I know of, if that is a real diamond, which I suspect it is, that is a pink heart cut diamond. That one could have some value to it. Definitely. All right, one last thing we're going to look at. These are just all the rings here. Pull you back up here. Shut that. Is we have all of this. So these are all metal detecting finds that I have. Here we go, guys. Check this out. This is 14 karat gold chain. Yep, dug that out of the ground. So this is a lighthouse. And through the storm, you do not walk alone. It says 925. But it has a little stone right at the top of the lighthouse there. So let's take a look and see what happens there. Uh-oh, we got another diamond, guys. Another diamond right there. This one is pretty cool. This is a beautiful, can't quite make out the name in it. This one I dug out about a couple years back. And it's a pendant. And it's hard to read on the back there, but let's check some of the stones in this. Because if I recall, if I can get to the stone, they go off like that. Yep. So there's, I believe, 12 diamonds around this little pendant here. And this is probably gold back there too. So, well guys, that's probably about out of time for me. I may have to cut this video down just to make it fit. So I hope you guys enjoyed my stack and enjoyed the finds that I had. And I will bring you some more videos similar to this, pouring silver, metal detecting, and I'll get out there and find some more treasures to add to my stack here, and I'll show those when they come in. So till next time, guys, let's head over to Pistol Packing Pilot. Let's welcome him and jump into his stream. Hit that like and share. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Subscribe to everybody on the train, all 8 of us. So if you get there, let's head on over. We'll see you next time.